This is a tutorial for Honda Vario 160. To turn on the bike, press the key icon until the remote indicator turns green. This indicates that the remote is connected to the bike. Press the knob one time. After being pressed, a sound and key indicator will appear on the bike panel. Next, to start the engine, turn the knob 2 times and it goes into standby mode. Make sure that you kick up the side standard or the engine won't start. Next, start the bike as usual by pressing the brakes and the starter button. To turn off the bike, turn the knob counterclockwise one time as it will turn off the engine. To open the seat, press the seat release button next to the knob and lift the seat. Here you can see that there's a storage room and a fuel tank. Turn the petrol cap counterclockwise to open it. After filling it up, close it by turning it clockwise. When you're finished, do not forget to ensure it is locked by pressing the end of the seat until you hear a clicking sound. To turn off the bike completely, turn the knob counterclockwise one more time.